So now that we know how to hold the club, how do we stand at the ball? So you want to make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart. You're going to put the ball in the middle of your stance. And then I'm going to turn sideways so you can see the weight distribution in your feet. It's best if you put the weight towards the arches of your feet. One of the biggest mistakes I see new golfers make is when they set up to the ball, they're sitting on their heels, as you can see here. I've got my weight on my heels. That's not a very good place to start your golf swing from. So you want to make sure that you're on the arches of your feet. In terms of how far away from the ball you should be standing, you don't want to be over here reaching for the ball. That's too far. If you have your hands in here, that's too close. So you just want your arms to hang freely from your shoulders there. Next thing is your torso. So your torso, you want to try to keep your back as straight as possible. So you're going to hinge from your hips here. You're going to keep your back straight and then just tilt forward, and you're going to stick your rear end out a little bit. So that's how you stand at the ball. You take the club in your hand here. This is what it should look like right there.